Hi guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? Welcome to another vlog, another episode of Vlogmas, obviously. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Betty and you're absolutely welcome to the channel. Today is basically like a reset day for me. I need to get like a couple of things done for today, so I already like have a plan of things I want to do. I need to reorganize my apartment, to do grocery shopping. I need to reorganize my apartment. Let's clean together, you know. I also want to try to make banana bread for the very first time. I already have a recipe in place, so I need to get some of the ingredients from the shop because I don't have flour and some other things anymore. Do a voiceover for a particular video. The video should be up by now. By the time you're seeing this video, I would have already posted that video, so make sure to check it out. I know it should be something you like. Let's see. I'll leave the link somewhere on the screen so you guys can watch as well. Yeah, anything else comes up, I'll definitely show you guys. Yeah, let's see how the day unfolds. Seriously, Lidl is definitely inexpensive, affordable. I think that's the right word. Lidl is actually affordable. I don't really shop at Lidl, to be honest, because it's not very close to my house and I'm just like, I can't walk that distance. But honestly speaking, I think the distance is absolutely worth it at this point. So Iceland is the closest to my house and I just feel like I can easily get whatever I want from Iceland, although they don't have a wide range of products. But the fact that it's close to my house, I just walk in there. But come on, Iceland is expensive. Jesus, Iceland is expensive, bottom line. But from Lidl, I actually got a lot of things, kind of. And this whole bag cost £16. So let me just show you guys a quick haul of the things that I got from Lidl. Oh, I got 2 butter. I actually thought I got 1. And 1 more chopped tomato. Got this hand cream for 60p. Some paracetamol. Of course, flour for my banana bread. Also got my body wash from Savers for £2.99 each. Usually it's like £3.50 in Boots, but this is more cost effective, budget friendly rather, from Savers than it is in Boots.
Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head, from the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present.
Done cooking now. I'm already kind of tired actually. I couldn't make the banana bread anymore today. There's no time anymore, so I'm going to do that tomorrow, so definitely still watch out for it. So I want to record the voiceover now and just finish up the video so I can upload it on YouTube.
Is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time.
So So today is what's this? Today's Wednesday, and I'm going out with my brother. He's here. Say hi. So we're just going out to chill. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. I look so cute. Oh my god.
Never been
so we got brand new chicken. The other one they brought before was burnt, so we told one of the waiters and he got us another one.
Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale.
So we want the Netflix and grill wrap.
Spicy?
Yeah. One and we do chips, no. For drinks, tropical passion and mango. Sorry?
You want tropical crush cocktail?
No, this one.
Float.
Yeah. And mango passion.
Mango passion float as well.
No.
Mocktail?
Yeah, mocktail. One mini croissant.
1 minute. Share together, yeah?
Yeah. Thank you.
But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know. All the days that we've been spending, I hope this dream is never ending. Oh, feels like a fairy tale. And all of me.
Okay, first impression. It actually tastes nice. Tastes nice, really. I like it. Let me taste your. So I'm tasting is he ordered mango. Is it mango crush or mango passion? I don't know. I don't really like this one. I prefer this. Which do you prefer?
I prefer mine.
Zilla, I prefer mine. Looks nice inside. Juicy. A chicken wrap. Man, it's actually nice. Try it. I think it tastes nice actually. I like it.
Like a fairy
Guys, this place is so fine. The aesthetic is so nice. I can't stop taking pictures. Poor. Yeah, it's so cute, guys. Can you guys see how cute it looks? Like, it looks so nice. My date for today. Duh. Get you find it. So we're done. We're almost done with our drink anyway. We're leaving soon.
Say you love me,
Say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. Let me know if we'll be okay. 'Cause I can't stand the moment of you playing with.
So we are back in the house now, and I absolutely enjoyed myself. It was so much fun. Like, the outing was so spontaneous, but then I mean, I really did enjoy myself, to be honest. Yeah, that's basically the only thing I've done today. I've, you know, just been at home, and then we went out. I want to try to complete something on my laptop. Then I'm not sure I'll be able to bake banana bread again today, so that's been moved to tomorrow again. But which is good actually, because I found out that the banana I'm meant to use is supposed to be overripe, and the banana I have right now is not even close to overripe. So by tomorrow I feel like it should be softer, which would be nice. So I think it's a good idea to actually shift it until tomorrow and not do it today anymore. So yeah, I branched the fragrance shop to get some perfumes I've been longing for quite a while. I've been wanting to get for quite a while, but I've just been like, I'll get it later. So I eventually got it today, but yeah, I got it. That's the only thing I can say to myself right now. Got Black Opium, YSL Black Opium. I've been wanting to get this for some time now, so I'm really happy that I got it. And I got it in 50 ml. The 80 ml or something is like 100 and something pounds, and nah. And I got the Dior Sauvage in 60 ml. Can you guys see? I got these two perfumes and I'm so happy to add them to my collection. Looks so nice, honestly. So cute. Yep. So these are the two perfumes that I've collected my money to do. What's inside here? I felt the lady would have even given me, and I brought the test scent strips or whatever they call it. I keep this somewhere inside my house, and my house will be smelling like perfume. Don't say I did not do something for you. I can actually keep all these things somewhere inside the house, and I mean, I might smell it. I don't know how long this lasts or whatever. Then I got off a package. I also got a package from Amazon. What's inside? Oh, okay. I think I know what's inside actually. Yeah, it's the case for my iPad. I hope it's going to be nice. Oh, I chose color purple. Let us see. Okay, this looks cute already actually. Okay, am I supposed to peel this off or what? No. Okay, let me not peel it first. Let me see if it's actually the size I need. Yes, I like the color.
Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could open up and tell.
Listen guys, I will 100% recommend this stuff for your shower glass. It is so good, man. I didn't even have to like struggle a lot to kind of clean because there was a lot of lime scale on the shower glass. I did do some scrubbing and it 100% works. I really love the result. Chi. Okay, bye.